Good morning, guys. How are you doing? How are you holding up? This is going to be my last video before my summer break. We'll be uploading shorts at different points. I'm not being very specific about which channel because honestly I'm going to put this on both channels. So, this channel is going to be on Christ-based YouTube channels. Yeah, did you know it? I didn't target looking. So, let's just look at a few of the Christ-based homemakers. Ardnt, home with Kelli. Now, her and her husband have another channel. I can't remember the name of it. Sorry. Ardnt, Homestead Tessie. I've been watching her for a very long time. She's good. She's In Her Apron. Kim, another one I've been watching for a long time. She's awesome. There's the Traditional Cooking School, Mountain Homeschool Homestead Family. She's a young girl. She's really good. This Mama's House and This Mama's Faith. It's the same lady. Homesteading Family, Josh and Carol. Simply Canning at Home. Then there's Little House on the Mountain, inspired by Nikki. Appalachian Homestead with Patara. She's awesome. Been watching that gal for a long time. Then you get your mega moms that are also homemakers. Amy Maryon, watching her a very long time. Jamerrill Stewart, same thing. And this gal can crank out the meals for all of her kids. Even the one that's married with a baby and not living with them. Sarah and Solomon are having many. I'm watching them off now for some years. Now, the last ones are going to be news and current events channels. Israeli News by Stephen Abundant and his wife Yana Banoon are awesome. You have In Time Productions, a channel called Christian Movies, which is a good channel to watch. Lion of Judah. He is absolutely wonderful. Alright guys, I hope you have a wonderful summer. And I will see you in the fall, hopefully, in a new house. Well, new to us anyway. And we also have another chance to move into a townhouse. So one way or the other, we are going to be somewhere where we will be safe. I will see you guys in the fall.